Hilton, Peninsula, Manila Hotel, Shangrila, Okada, Marriot, Solaire. Ready na ba kayo mapunta dito? So guys, welcome to my vlog, and for today's video ay i-unbox natin itong dumating na parcel from Shopee.
Sabihin mo lang, salamat Shopee!
These are from Luxe Essentials. Pito lahat yung in-order ko. These are like hotel scents. Try ko lang kasi I've been using this one na nabili namin sa Wilcon. Ocean Breeze. Cool siya, pero kapag natutulog ka parang hindi ko type yung amoy. Okay, open na natin. Safe siya kasi naka-bubble wrap. Ayan. Naka-bubble wrap siya. Grabe ng bubble wrap guys, ang kapal. Sinabi ko kasi sa seller na making sure na yung product will be safe with its packaging. Kasi nga, bottles siya. So kapag manipis yung pagkapack, baka naman kasi mabasag. So here, struggling with my one hand. Ayun siya. Ganda. So it's packed like, how many are these? 7.
One eternity later.
So ito sila. Ayan. Zero pa yung isang yan sila. So I have here Peninsula, Manila Hotel, Shangrila, Okada, Marriot, Hilton, and Solaire. So, amin ko. Peninsula.
Many tic-tacs later.
So, inamoy ko sila lahat. And yung nag-stand out dito is itong tatlo. Ayan, si Okada, Marriot, and Solaire. These three are the best with its scent. And then yung Okada is parang may Asian vibe talaga siya. Yung parang oriental vibe yung pagka yung scent niya, yung sipa ng scent niya. Tapos yung Marriot iba din. Tapos yung Solaire, yun. Basta itong tatlo nag-stand out sa akin. Itong Manila, Shangrila ba yun? Parang perfume. Parang siyang perfume sa ano. Yung perfume na nilalagay natin sa ano, damit. If you want to order these, ilalagay ko sa screen yung shop pati yung price niya. And these are like the complete set. It is not a set, but I have them individually, like 34 pesos ata yung isa. 5 ml kasi ito. May 15 ml sila nito. So this is like just a tester kit. Again, it's not a kit. A tester bottle. So this is like the complete lineup of their hotel scents. So there you have it, guys. So itatry ko siya dito sa base as ko. Tapos nahugasan ko na to siya kanina. Ayan. Malit lang siya. So if you want to see my unboxing video for this humidifier, actually this is 2-in-1 humidifier and diffuser, just click here. So thank you for watching, guys, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And here you go. Pababanguhin natin itong kwarto na to. Okay, guys, good luck.
with